guys, how's it going? Toby here from Pro Edge Trading. Today we're going to recap the normal trade entries in the ATR trades for the MNQ and the MES. Happy Monday. Hope everybody went short today, at least in our trading window. It's 8:30 to 10:30. New York Open, 8:30 is our New York Open Central Time. We're looking at the MNQ 2-minute Pro Edge bars. And let's take a look at the signals for today. So we skipped this first signal, the first 2 or 3 bars. We don't want to get caught in some traps or chop or whatever, even though it made it this time. We're not counting that one. So we got our first signal here. Signal entry winner, 10 points. Another one, signal entry winner, 10 points. So you got, we're going to put this on here. I'm going to show you something. So you got, we'll call it 40 ticks and 40 ticks on this one. All right, so you're up 80 ticks, 20 points. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. You may wonder what all these other panels are. I'm going to go over that. This is the ATR set at 2 because we're looking at the signal bar and the bar right before it. That's ATR 2. And in real time, you don't need the data box. You don't need the ATR indicator. You just need to set up the market analyzer. And this will tell you the ATR 2 in real time per candle as they're forming. But in historical, to back test, you got to have the ATR on there. And the data box makes it easier, so you can just hover a candle and see the ATR value. So for now, I'm going to move the market analyzer out of the way. Just remember, you don't need this or this in real time. But we're going to look at our ATR method, which is as soon as you get a signal, as soon as it closes, you got a signal, look at the ATR. So in this case, it's 42. So we're going to actually go for half that and put your stop above the edge band. Go for half of, and it doesn't have to be half, but we're using half. So that'd be 42, it'd be 21 points, which it obviously makes. So we're going to put that on here, 21, which is actually 84 ticks. And then this signal here was 37, we'll call it 38, so that'd be 19. Stop above the edge band, 19 obviously makes it. So that's going to be 76 points, or ticks, sorry. So you got 80 ticks, 20 points, just taking the signals like normal, which is fine. That's good. That's a good day. You do the ATR method, you come out with that 160, so 40 points. Yeah, 40 points. So you would have doubled the points a day just using the ATR method. That's on the MNQ. We'll look at another one. Another popular one is the MES. And same thing at the data box. In real time, you'd use the market analyzer. So here we go, same thing. We don't take this these first few candles. This one's good. This is 838. You got your winner for 8 ticks. You got another one down here for 8 ticks. Let's see how the ATR method would have played out. So you got your signal. At that time, it is 12.6. We'll call it 13, so you'd be 6.5 points. Obviously, that makes it stop above the edge band or the top of the candle, whichever is further. Because this candle is a little bit above the edge band, so go above the candle. And you got your 6.5, 13, yeah, 6.5. It's 24, 26 ticks on that one. And then same thing over here, 6.4. So we're looking, we'll call it 6. You can round down. That'd be 3 points. And it obviously hit that. So that'd be 12. So you got, 16 ticks. You got 4 points today. Just using the signals like normal. If you want to use the ATR method, you got 26 plus 12, 38. It's at almost 10 points, 9.5 points versus 4. So that's a way you can get a little bit more out of these trades. Something I was going to show you. Well, I can show you right here on the ES. It's fine. If you're trading these pullbacks, this one's kind of iffy. It's a hugger, but here you go. This one swept out. Wait for a confirmation. This close beneath all these closes before you get into these. Wait for a confirmation. So you can take it here. You can try to get a little discount. Take it up here. Run the edge band. Get in at the edge band, which probably would have got in here at the time. And there's your trade. And this is why. Here you think, most of us are going to know this is a trap. You're not going to take this. But just in case you get caught up in this, you see an uptrend here. You think this is a pullback for this. Well, you don't get a confirmation. So why you want to wait for the confirmation. You think it's a pullback, you're going long, see what happens. This one's a little more obvious, but you know what I mean. Wait for a confirmation. Same thing here. Sweeps down. Here's your confirmation. You can take it here. You can wait for the edge band, little pullback, little discount, and there you go. But that's the EdgeRunner signal method. Works great. ATR method works great. Get a little bit more out of them most of the time. If you want to know where to get this and apply it to your charts, go to proedgetrading.com. You can read a lot more about it. Watch our YouTube videos. There's a lot more descriptions and examples. Join us in Discord. We're in there all day live, answering questions, sharing our setups. Come down here and check out, get your files immediately. And that's it for today's price action, the Q, the ES, and we'll catch you in the next one tomorrow. All right, thanks.